Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 81 Chevy C10 short box stepside. Cool little truck, come out of California. Bought it off an estate sale. I bought it from the estate. I bought it down in Arizona. You know, it's had a repaint, an older repaint. You know, there's a few little flaws here, but just makes it a super nice driver quality truck. There you can see some chips been touched up front here. All front bumper and the lower valance in good shape. Hood, I really don't see any dents. Like I said, you got a few minor chips. Glass is good in it. Got a great shine to it there. You can see the reflection of the tree in the paint there. A little bit of chrome off the grill there. Nice and solid down here, just maybe a chip here and there. Like I said, being a California truck, most of its life, and in Arizona, rust isn't an issue. So I got a little fading on the driver's seat here. I got a dash cover on it, a couple minor cracks here. This is a non-air truck. Dual tanks. Now there ain't too many times you see a dual tank truck with step-side box. There you can see some fading on that dash there. But nice, clean, door panel. Nice clean truck, the door's shut nice. There's your left-hand tank. Same deal, some chips up here, they touched up. Dual exhaust, ultra wheels. 2 55/60/15s on the back here. Box in good shape. They did a bed liner on the inside there. And then it's a wooden box, and they just bolted a rubber mat on it. I suppose the box itself, see, like there, it's cracked a little bit, so that gives it some originality too. That's the nice thing. There's probably the worst scratch on the body, and that's on the right step side. There's your other fuel tank. Tank is there. I don't know if tank switcher works. Both tanks are there. And there's a little scratch right there down here, but nice clean truck. Like I said, got a few scratches and chips because the gentleman enjoyed it, so you're going to get some of that, but nice shine to it. Great driver quality truck. Runs and drives great. Originally a 6-cylinder truck, has a 350 been put in it, have the paperwork on that, so doesn't have very many miles on the motor and the transmission, I think. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.